I mean, just look at this. Isn't it magical?
It is.
I mean, the children are bringing so much positivity, energy, and joy to the stadium. And I think the ESA initiative has reached out to 18,000 children. 18,000 children are in the stands today from different NGOs. I believe sport does not discriminate, and talent can come from anywhere. Maybe one of these kids will reach the pinnacle of success, and I hope they take back so many cherished memories from this experience and have the power and the courage to believe in their dreams. Um, it's just too heartwarming.
Sachin, you would have sat in the stands, watched the game. What do you think these young kids, what does it do for them today?
It's simply majestic. The kind of energy that children create inside the stadium. That is what the players long for. Positivity. And that is what I've experienced over the years. It's only gotten better and better. And for me, it's simple. Children are our future. If we want a better tomorrow, we need to act today. And that is exactly what Neeta Bhabi and the foundation, they are together in this partnership, and along with Mumbai Indians team. It's been a magnificent experience to be here, and your foundation and your guidance has given opportunities to so many children across the globe, I would say, and I hope you continue to do that in the field of sport as well as education. Both are equally important, and it is again so much positivity here inside the stadium. It's heartwarming.
Thank you.
Neeta Bhabi, this initiative is over a decade old now. What made you start, and where do you see it going in the future?
So, we started ESA 14 years ago, and today it has reached out to 22 million children across India. As Sachin says, I believe every child must have a right to play and a right to education. Children learn as much on the playgrounds as they learn in the classrooms. I mean, sports teaches them so many things, to sportsmanship, discipline, hard work, and more than anything else, to take wins and losses in their stride. So, I think ESA really opens the doors to millions of opportunities for these young children who come from the remotest villages and towns of India.
Yes, Neeta Bhabi, you're talking about the kids and what it does for them. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Ravi, I have a story to tell. Some years ago, I was sitting with the children for the ESA match, and there was a little girl sitting with her snack box next to me. And while she was eating, I noticed she was leaving everything half. She was not completing her snack box. So I asked her, I said, "Baby, why don't you eat?" She says, "No, I have a little brother waiting for me at home. And he has never tasted cake in his life. And I'm saving it up for him." I mean, these are stories that touch your heart.
Yeah. Sachin, you've come here as a player. You're an icon now with Mumbai Indians. You've seen this initiative. You've sat on this ground and watched games. What does this remind you of?
No, it reminds me of my first experience at the stadium. I was sitting there in the North Stand. And this was way back in 1983 when you were part of the Indian team. I had come here with my elder brother Ajit to watch the test match. And today, even after playing for 24 years of international cricket, I still remember that very moment. And that is exactly what is something that all these children are experiencing today. Years down the line, they will remember this moment. This is a golden moment for them. And for me, that was the beginning of a beautiful journey. Who knows, it could be a beginning of many more journeys from here, from this very stadium, from this very match, and this very initiative. So, again, extremely happy to be here. But what something these children are going to take back home is they have watched both these teams being extremely competitive, playing hard, but they are playing in the right spirit. So you may win or you may lose, but it is important not to find shortcuts, and that's the lesson I'm hoping that all these children take back home with them.
Neeta Bhabhi, now you defy age. Every year you come here, you look more energetic, fit, fresh, simply great. What keeps you going? What's the secret? What's that to have that passion?
At this moment, it's my 4 grandchildren. I think I need to keep fit for them. They're all in the stadium today.
Wow.
And I think it's so important for women to look after themselves.
Well, all I'll say is many congratulations. This is a fantastic initiative made carry on for a long, long time. Sachin, you've been part of it as an icon and as a player. Fantastic. And the support from the Mumbai Indians, because we feel there's a connect with the players as well.
Yes, yes. I think
Thank you.
it's a favorite game of the players, the staff and the coaches. We look forward to this day with a lot of enthusiasm.
Thank you so much.